Oh, he used Gus to win.
Okay. I wish I would have been but
you know how he used Gus. So that means he's able to move me back, right?
Back to your hand?
Yeah, the card he's on.
Oh, I didn't use spell or ability.
Because when you go onto a battlefield, that considers it as an open showdown. Because the battlefield is open, so it's an open showdown.
It's just. Okay.
So Gus can be played on showdown.
So I'm just 7 right now.
7, yep.
Okay, and I'm gonna do.
You knew that was coming? I didn't even know you should like that.
Nope, go back to your hand.
We have one more turn. One more turn, baby.
Wait, but you can still win. Just play that.
Oh. How many notes? One.
And then you have the ability for your champion. See what he sees.
Okay, I'm gonna get
15 minutes. Nah, they're not cooking 100 wins in 15 minutes. Like,
I'm gonna sell my program get some
What? Apple Pay or something? I thought that was easy. And that was in Miami, so.
Then you can, stack stuff on top.
has to be defending.
Yeah. So if you move in and you can help you, then you can summon this guy on top of your unit.
I'm single dad too. Yeah. You should. At least you didn't come back, with the new brothers.
You want to run it one more time?
Make sure no funny business happens.
I gotta go get some.
So that was that cost nothing because he was already ready, right?
Yeah. Once he's ready, you can finish playing. You can play this.
Add this one to make sure
Aaron, you
it's
wanna play?
long.
No, I'm good.
4 to bring out
I'll
third.
take a break.
2 and then you gotta pay 1.
Hey,
yeah. I forgot I have the piece. What I forgot the.
Oh,
You know what I'm talking about? all the.
Alright, ability to play him.
Come on, Ava.
No.
That's just a big board.
Wait, actually, I don't know what it is.
Big board for a big boy.
And agree. I'll attach these both here.
So does it mean it's ready or not?
Not yet. So now that I chose her, when I choose her, I tap this. I tap this to recycle one. Now she'll be ready.
Okay. Is that what? 5, 8?
8. And I will attempt to come in here.
Sorry, I forgot. Since I use